Hi, my name is Nando Choa and I'm a professor of Smart Grids and Power Systems at the University of Melbourne. I'm here to talk about a very exciting subject that is Introduction to Power Engineering. Intro to Power is a core subject of our Masters of Electrical Engineering, which means you need to take it no matter what. Nonetheless, Intro to Power is also a building block in our specialization of low-carbon power systems. So without this subject, you cannot really take all the advanced subjects in the area of power systems. Intro to Power will give you the fundamentals for the different aspects related to the modeling of the core elements of the power systems. We're talking about generators, transmission lines, transformers. All of that is very important as different elements, but also you need to connect them all together, which is the electrical power grid. So Intro to Power will give you also the fundamentals to analyze the whole power systems with all the different aspects that connect generators down to the loads. The electrical grid is perhaps one of the most important infrastructures in any country in the world. So therefore, it is very important to understand what happens if we lose a generator, if we lose a transmission line because of a storm, or if a new city is going to be built, there's more people, there's more electricity demand. So all these fundamentals will give you the tools to understand how to do that.
This is the first core specialization subjects of low-carbon power system. So it actually provides us an opportunity to see if we are really interested in these areas. It provides broad learning scopes, so it is beneficial for students looking to diversify their knowledges and skills.
The part where we were engaged in groups, particularly on workshops, was something that I cannot forget because I get the opportunity to learn and work with my colleagues who came with different understanding of the subjects and different perspective of how we do those practical things, and then further deliberating and discussion on that was an opportunity for me to learn from them and also help me to understand the subject from a broader perspective as well.
Intro to Power has been designed to be practical. Yes, you will need to learn a lot of physics. You will need to go through electromagnetism. There will be equations, of course, lots of them. However, we will try to put all these very important concepts in a way that relates to the practical aspects of the electrical power system. So if you are interested in renewables and the decarbonization of our electricity sector, then you should pursue our specialization in low-carbon power systems. And of course, you need to enroll in Intro to Power. But make sure that you do it in the first year because the specialization takes 2 years.